Dear viewers, meet our new viewing schedule. Now, for the best learning and watching experience, it is based on 3 educational blocks. A. Basic. B. Intermediate. C. Expert. Each block lasts for about 40 minutes, like a school lesson. To keep a balance between leisure and study, you'll find entertaining shows in between them. They'll be useful and interesting for viewers of any level. Also, we have some special blocks. A slot for children, Kids Zone. A business block for managers and employees.
Bonjour, bienvenue à tous.
For those who think English is not enough, there are some elementary French lessons as well. Also, we have some new films and cartoons with subtitles and vocabulary. So, this is our viewing schedule. Focus on the programs at your level and enjoy the other shows.